3 petrol and 3 diesel engines are available for the T-Roc, coming in 3 power levels: 115, 150 and 190 horsepower. Entry-level models will use a 1.0-liter petrol or a 1.6-liter diesel that both make 115 horsepower. They're also the only engines in the lineup that are strictly front-wheel drive and come with a manual gearbox only. Mid-range 150 horsepower 1.5-liter petrol and 2.0-liter diesel models can be optionally equipped with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox as well as VW's 4Motion, 4-wheel drive system. The latter will come with selectable off-road modes that should help in snowy winters. Just don't expect the T-Roc to challenge a Land Rover Defender off-road. The most powerful engines, at 190 horsepower, seem a bit overkill for a compact SUV, but they will dispatch overtakes with laughable ease and appeal more to keen drivers. There are no official performance figures yet, but the 190 horsepower petrol should be a match for the 192 horsepower Mini Countryman Cooper S. VW is exploring electric and hybrid technology, so a plug-in hybrid T-Roc GTE version will probably be offered later in the car's lifetime. It's also possible the firm could introduce a fully electric version or a high-performance T-Roc GTI with more than 200 horsepower. The T-Roc comes as standard with plenty of modern safety systems such as automatic emergency braking with pedestrian recognition, a lane-keeping system and post-collision braking. Adaptive cruise control is optionally available along with adaptive dampers that let you firm or relax the suspension at the push of a button depending on driving conditions.